channel, or if you've never been to my channel, hello and welcome. In this video, did this look here. This is the cotton candy look. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching this video. I kind of already got ready for my day, but you just want to do your regular foundation routine. Usually I do the eyes first. So I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette, and this is the Brights palette. I always use this for a lot of my looks. And we're going to be taking this lavendery purple with a brush like this, but I think this is an e.l.f. brush. And with that purple color, we're just going to put it all over our lids. And once you get that as purple as you want, we're then going to be taking this hot pink color here, and we're going to use the same brush. What's up, Howard?
Testicles 1, 2, testicles 1, 2.
So as you can see, I'm just putting this color halfway on the outer of my lids and just blending it inwards. I'm just going back in with that lavender color and fixing up the inner corner. Just build the color up to your liking. Then I'm gonna be taking this darker purple here with the same brush, and we're just gonna focus this color more on the outer corners of our eyes. So as you can see, I'm just patting it on right now. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with this blendy brush. Now I'm just like touching up everything. I'm just adding more pink in the center because the dark purple kind of faded it out a little bit. Once you have that all done, we're now going to create a cut crease, a half cut crease. So I am just using this concealer by Sonia Kashuk. This is in Wheat. Now I'm going to be taking a eyeshadow brush like this and using the Moondust palette. I'm going to be taking the color Spectar, and we're just going to put this where we created our half cut crease. And I'm just patting it on first. Don't worry that it looks pretty like not blended out, because we're going to be adding glitter to where that eyeshadow and the concealer kind of meets. So you can choose whatever kind of color glitter you want. I just decided to go for like a purpley color. And before you guys say anything, I know that there's cosmetic glitter out there, but like I said, this was kind of like my last minute idea on a budget, and I already had craft glitter. Glitter I'm using like this purpley, just a purple glitter color. I'm just gonna be using this eyelash glue. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and you can see where I put it, so just look closely. And then I just like to use my finger, just pat it on. Okay, I guess I got mixed in with this glitter, which is totally cool because this is the glitter we have on our cotton candy stuff, so that's totally cool. The same to the other eyeball. I'm gonna add some more. It's not as glittery. It's not as glittery as I want it to be. And then you should get something like this so far. Next step, we're gonna take the NYX Pink Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Petal. And we're just gonna do this. We're gonna put this where we made our half cut crease line. You'll see in the video how to do it. So This takes some freaking patience. I never get it done that fast, that good. So that was pretty good. Next up are the lashes. I'm going to be applying the Eyelure Definition N126 lashes. They look like this. Super cool, super cool. So then I'm just going to be using the Duo Lash Glue. I always use this lash glue. Let that get dry and tacky. So while that is getting tacky, we're just going to curl and apply some mascara. And I'm using this mascara. I don't like this very much. I don't know why I got it. I was just trying something new. Because the only mascaras that have done me really, really nicely are from Maybelline. Especially the falsies. That's my go-to mascara. Well, that's still drying. We're just going to work on the lower lashes. Lower lash line. Going back in with this palette. So I'm using this little pencil brush. And taking this purpley lavender color, build it up really nicely. You really want the bottom lash line to be very popping. So once you have that done, I'll apply the lashes. We're just gonna let those lashes dry. Going back to the lower lashes, I'm taking the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in Gunmetal, and we're just gonna apply this right on the lash line as well. It's gonna burn just a little bit, but not too much. And then apply your bottom mascara. So we're also gonna apply it on the top lashes to blend those buddies together. And then for our inner tear duct, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sugar. We're gonna take Starburst. So I'm gonna use the same brush we use for our lower lash line. I'm just gonna clean it off quick. And I'm just blending it into the lower lash line a little bit. And there you have it. The eyes are complete. For the fun part, the face, I'm so excited. So instead of normally contouring your face with like bronzer or a real contour, we're actually going to be contouring with a blush. This is a pink blush. Oh, and I'm just using this angled brush here. I'm going in with the Estée Lauder Pure Color Envy Sculpting Blush and 420. So just pack it on. Like, don't even worry about it, just pack it on. And do it how you normally would contour your cheeks. And just blend it into your apples and just blend it up, I guess. So it's like a blush and contour. I'm just gonna go into my foreheads. I have one forehead. I don't know why I said that. Just blend into your temples as well. Just lightly sculpt your jawline if you want. You don't have to. And the nose too. You want to sculpt out your nose. I mean, you don't have to, but this is what I did. I'm using the same pink blush. Yeah, I forgot to grab purple paint spray. That's why like my makeup is like purple, because my original idea was pink and purple cotton candy, but I forgot to grab the purple one. So I was like in a super rush trying to do this. But this still looks really nice. And just blend out your nose. Once you look super pinkly sculpted, we're gonna do highlights, and I'm using, of course, the Anastasia Sugar Glow palette, and we're actually gonna be taking Gumdrop. Wait. We're gonna take this one first. This is the Sweet Peach Glow Illuminating Blushing and Bronzing palette, and we're gonna take this color here. I actually really like this highlight as an everyday one as well. And I'm taking this little fluffy brush. Get your little nose, y'all cheekbones. Doing it up here a little bit, and then up here a little bit. And then we're just gonna lightly dust gumdrop. Like, look at that. It's Halloween, so it's okay if you're a little bit over the top, because what the hell? As long as you're popping, who cares? Now we're gonna do the eyebrows. I'm gonna take that same little brush we used for our lower lash line, and I'm gonna be taking that same lavender, and we're just gonna put this on the first third of our brows. And again, just building the color up to how you like it. And then I'm gonna be taking the pink color that we use as well, and we're gonna apply that to the rest of the eyebrows. You can fill in your brows normally if you want. I did, just as a good template, and just kind of created like the perfect touch, if that makes sense. I probably didn't make sense. I don't really know what I'm saying. So then I'm just gonna take some clear brow gel to set my brows. So I'm just gonna let those dry. While that's drying, we're gonna add a brow bone highlight, and I'm using the one and only Gumdrop. This is probably my favorite highlight because it's like a rose gold. So that's dope. Let's use this eyeshadow brush. Ooh, that's wow. Okay. So now we're gonna add some face glitter. Taking the eyelash glue again. Oh my gosh. And this is kind of just like your personal touch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let's do this first. I just kind of like blend it out more with my fingers, and then I'm gonna be taking this glue, not glue, glitter, and just tapping it on, and then using the purple glitter we use for eyes as well. Oh shit, I love glitter. Nathan actually banned me from glitter because I used to use glitter all the time and get it everywhere. I still do, but I'm just gonna do it on my cheeks. Whoop, whoop, blend that out right quick. Add the glitter right quick. Ow! Oh! I'm gonna be taking gunmetal again, and we're just gonna apply this on like the ends of our brows. Just really lightly, just beep, 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 beep. Can't have too much glitter. Hey, glitter's not a crime. And if it was, I'd be arrested. Then I like to take the pink and just add little dots, I guess, so it looks like candy sprinkles. And now for the lips. I'm taking, this is from Urban Decay. It's just a little sample one. This is in Big Bang.
Your makeup looks better now than it did
What?
the night of.
No way. Does it really?
Yeah, I look at both.
Thanks.
It's just more glitterified.
I'm going in with Too Faced Melted Latex and a Unicorn Tears. I'm just gonna put this right on top. So I start off in the middle and I just kind of blend it out. It smells so good. It smells like candy. This is the final look. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!